Making mochi without rice flour is so easy and we'll show you how. The most important part is the rice. We're gonna use this Japanese glutinous rice, not sushi rice and no jasmine rice, because your mochi is not gonna be stretchy or chewy like real mochi. Please make sure to soak it at least 4 hours before use. If you really don't have time, you can soak it for 2 hours. Next, we're gonna drain the water. We're gonna put the rice into our food processor. You only put 1/4 of water. Okay, now let's go and grind. See, it's still like a clay. So we'll put a little bit of water, just a little bit. Oh, it's getting there. Just a little bit more. Okay. If you touch it, it's very smooth. You don't feel too much lumps. Put it in the middle, like this. I'm gonna show you how to make mochi with sushi rice. So you'll see why you should only use glutinous rice. Now we're gonna steam the mochi. We're gonna steam our mochi for about 10 minutes, but you can cook it in the microwave instead. If you want to learn how to do that, make sure you check out the full recipe on our website, link in the description. We also made our own red bean paste from powdered red beans, but I recommend that you use a pre-made paste. It's this work and it tastes good. We've got some links to our suggested red bean paste in the description below. I'm gonna weigh anko 20 grams. If you use anko from Asian grocery store or Amazon, it might be stickier than this. So you could use plastic wraps. It's so cute. Roll the rest of your anko into balls. Now, let's check on our mochi. Alright, so cooked part has a lot of small holes here. Let's take a look at the sushi rice mochi. It looks pretty similar, but let's touch. Oh, wow, it's very hard. So this is the glutinous rice mochi. Very stretchy.
But this one, you just grab it and it just breaks off.
Yeah.
Like that. So don't use sushi rice or any other kind of rice. You gotta use glutinous rice for your mochi if you want that stretch, if you want that bounce and that chew.
So it's much easier to work on a tray covered with wrap than working a mochi on the table because it's gonna be very sticky. This is mochi toriko in Japanese. It's basically cornstarch. So put a little bit here, very slowly and gently, little by little. And again, be careful, it's very hot. So don't touch the cooked mochi. See, it's very silky, no lumps here. Yes! We put more cornstarch on top. Okay, let's get dirty. Oh, it feels so good. It's so like soothing. Look, woo! Gonna cut mochi and weigh the mochi 30 to 35 grams. Oh, 29. So you can make about 7 mochis. I don't want my mochi to be very dry, so I put wrap gently like this. So I cut the mochi like almost square shape. You just grab the outer part like this and make sure outer part should be thinner than the middle part. It's a little smaller than the palm size. So when you wrap anko, put it in the middle, pick up the edge like this and put the edges together, almost like making a dumpling, right? Like this, close the edges. Then put it out upside down, then gently roll it on your palm. Then, ta-da! Put a little bit of starch because I'm gonna put it on the plate here. This is 食べられる art, means edible art. So here, it comes with funny stickers. Look, and you can put it on any food you want. And of course, you can eat it. So if we want to buy it, we're gonna start selling this on our website. So please check our website.
Japanese hentai oji-san. Yeah.
Like this. If you put it on a dry food, you gotta put a little bit of water. There we go. Yup. Yup. いただきます。イエーイ。おー。The sweetness is just right. This sticky, chewy mochi. Oh, so good. Like this. It's really tasty. Oh my gosh. The combination with the black bean paste, perfect. You can never get this consistency using the sushi rice. And it's so silky and smooth. Oh my gosh. Check our website for the full recipe. Thank you for watching. ありがとう。